In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a size chart to your Shopify store quickly and easily. A size chart helps customers choose the correct size and can reduce returns and confusion. Let's get started. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Products. Now, select the product where you want to add the size chart. Inside the product page, scroll down to the product description section. Next, click on the Show HTML or HTML editor option to edit the product description code directly. If needed, remove any old description content you no longer want to use. Now, open the size chart code source in another tab and copy the HTML code for your size chart. Return to Shopify and paste the copied code into the product description area. After pasting the code, you can switch back to the visual editor to preview how the size chart looks. Make any necessary edits, such as changing the chart title, measurements, or size details to match your product. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Now, preview the product page on your store and your size chart should appear successfully. That's it. You've added a custom size chart to your Shopify product page. Thanks for watching and happy selling.